Synthesys is the world's first software that turns any text into a real human voiceover in few minutes. Synthesys using synthetic speech technology, which will turn your business to the most sought-after agency across every niche, both locally and internationally. Even when you have no prior experience, zero technical skills and a not-so-special voice, Synthesys can put an end to your struggles and helps you sell to business across multiple niches for top dollar. Synthesys is easy to use. All it takes is 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose voice. Pick your perfect business voice, gender, and tone from 18 real human-sounding synthetic digital voices. Step 2. Create. Type your text or simply copy-paste your script and click Create. Step 3. Render and share. One-click render and share your voiceover on any platform or device, wherever you need it, and don't forget to use your commercial license to add another profit stream to your packet. Synthesys features. Find the perfect voice for everything. Create engaging learning experiences, training, real estate videos, advertising, audio promotion materials, product tours and more. Cutting-edge technology. Deep learning researchers train a dataset of voice recordings from real-life voice actors to create a neural network. This neural network generates audio clips from text input by users. The voiceover generated sounds 100% real human-like. Unmatched quality at an unmatched price with the latest innovations in synthetic digital voicing and super-fast text-to-speech conversion and render. There's no other app, software or tool on the market that comes close at any price. Higher engagement and lower bounce rate, guaranteed. Synthesys improves engagement with visitors. They are not repulsed by a creepy-sounding robot telling them about the product or service. Done-for-you voices. Get started instantly with ready-to-use voiceovers. Use these for presentations and videos and save both time and money. Bring your scripts to life. Professional voiceovers on your own terms, on your schedules, and without any haggling for prices. Bring your scripts to life in just 3 clicks. Never hire a voice actor again. Both male and female voices from real-life actors are made available through the neural network. Special emphasis has been given to tone, breathing, sentence pauses, etc. to ensure that your voiceovers sound 100% real. Multi-purpose use. It can be widely used for gaming, podcasts, film, and animation, real estate promotion videos, training videos, walkthrough videos, advertisements, etc. to create professional personalized audio promotional material and more. Easy on the pocket. This stunning technology is budget-friendly. What's more, it's a fraction of the cost of studio-recorded narration. It helps you with a professional voice for your presentations and videos while helping you save time and money. Easy to use. Simply type or copy and paste your script into the text box, make your voice selection, and click to render. Getting a high-quality voiceover has never been easier and faster. No need to cut corners and compromise on quality. Voiceovers are needed right at the end of building a product and the related marketing material. By this time, most businesses have already overspent on their budget. But now with Synthesys, no more compromising on the quality of voiceovers to save money. Also, say goodbye to delays caused by script changes, casting talent, and booking recording studios. Work seamlessly on any device. Access your Synthesys secure dashboard via any web browser. It's hosted on the cloud, no software installation or downloads required. Synthesys frequently asked questions. Will I receive all the updates in the future? Yes. They have big plans for Synthesys. This service is unique, and many things could change during the journey. As an early adopter, you are going to receive all the updates and upgrades without being charged any extra fees. Do I have our money back guaranteed? Yes, you have 14 days no questions money back guarantee. What other languages are included? Since they don't use Google or Amazon technology, they support only the English language at the moment. What is meant by 100,000 characters? 100,000 characters meaning that each letter is 1 character. They have packages to buy more characters when you run out of characters. There is one more question I have, but I can't find the answer on this page. What should I do? Please get in touch with them, and they will be happy to answer all your questions.